Hello! Have you ever been in a situation in which you experienced analysis paralysis? This is the process of overanalyzing or overthinking a situation. If this is the case, you are not alone. Today I would like to give you 3 quick tips on how to become more decisive. Fear starts in the mind, but so does courage. Number 1. Recognize your thought process. For all of us, thought patterns happen automatically. You have to be mindful in order to slow it down. When you allow yourself to be in an anxious state, it won't stop. Your rational mind has to overrule your anxious mind. Ask yourself, am I overthinking again? What's the worst that can happen? By the way, the worst case almost never happens. Number 2, forget perfectionism. Sometimes good enough is perfect when you have to make a decision. Do the best with what you know and learn to trust your gut feeling. Be calm and don't look back. Being decisive is all about making a choice, and not making a choice is a decision. Number 3, set a decision-making goal. I suggest you practice reducing the decision-making time. Now it may take you days, weeks, or sometimes even months to make a decision. Conscious practice will bring you progress, and you will become faster in no time. Here is to you and your decisiveness. If you liked this video, please make sure to click like, leave a comment, share with your network, and of course, subscribe. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.